Hi everyone, if you're pregnant or you're planning to get pregnant and you're wondering how you're going to take care of your skin, how you're going to take care of your body as your body stretches, especially your baby bump during pregnancy to avoid the appearance of stretch mark after childbirth, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be talking about how you can simply massage your body with natural oils, to avoid the appearance of stretch mark after childbirth. Make sure you watch the video to the end so that you do not miss any important part of the video. If today is your first time being here, my name is Evie, based in Lagos, Nigeria. I talk about self-care, lifestyle, wellness, and motherhood. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming to watch my video. First of all, let's talk about stretch mark. Stretch mark in pregnant women is very common and it is nothing to be ashamed of, okay, because it is normal during pregnancy. And what causes a stretch mark in pregnant women is as the body stretches rapidly, as your baby bump grow, as it stretches, there's tendency that is going to develop stretch mark after childbirth. And another thing is as it stretches, there's 99% chances that is going to be inching you. So that's why it is advisable as a pregnant woman, please you take care of your body, especially your baby bump, to avoid something like this or this after childbirth. Now, when are you supposed to start taking care of your baby bump during pregnancy? You're supposed to start in your second trimester. So you can start massaging your baby bump in your second trimester as soon as your baby bump begin to expand. There is tendency that as your baby bump expand, as it stretches, it might develop stretch mark. So that's why it is advisable you start massaging your baby bump. And what are you going to be needing to actually do this? You'll be needing natural oils like coconut oil, almond oil, shea butter, or olive oil. Any of this oil, you can actually use it to massage your baby bump during pregnancy. Make sure it is a moisturizing natural oil. That is what is recommended to use so that you do not develop any skin infection during your pregnancy. I have here with me organic natural shea butter. Look at this. This is organic natural shea butter. But if your shea butter is like this, please do not use it this way. You have to melt it with hot water before you be able to use it to massage your baby bump, okay? But I'll be using this, as a practical to actually show you how you can use in any natural oil to massage your baby bump. So I'm just going to be taking some out of this, look at. So this is my shea butter. Just have to rub, then you massage this way. You see what I'm doing? You massage in a circular motion. You massage this way. You massage this way. Make sure that you go through this area. Go through here. Something so massage. Avoid scratching your baby bump this way. I see some women doing this, or pregnant women doing this. They just put your hands on their baby bump, they scratch. It's scratchy. Please, that can actually cause stretch mark. Okay, so you just massage this way. You massage this way. You massage in a circular motion. Okay, you come this way, then you come like this, then you go like this. You see? You see what I just did? That is actually hard to massage your baby bump during your pregnancy. Okay. Do not make the mistake of scratching your baby bump. But then there are some women that are naturally prone to stretch mark. Even when they did not scratch their baby bump, right? Even when they massage their baby bump during their pregnancy period, there is still tendency that they are going to develop stretch mark after childbirth because their body, their skin is prone to stretch mark. There are people that like that, there are women like that naturally develop stretch mark after childbirth. Now I'm going to be giving you 4 tips on how you can naturally take care of your body to avoid stretch mark after childbirth. Number one is stay hydrated. Make sure you're taking a lot of water. Water is very important. Either you're drinking or you pour it on your body, it is very important. So make sure you're staying hydrated. You take a lot of fruit, you take a lot of water, okay, during your pregnancy. That can actually help you in a long way. And another thing is eat food that contains vitamin C and vitamin A. That is recommendable. Take lots of oranges. Oranges, during pregnancy is highly recommendable. Generally, just take food that contains vitamin C and vitamin E. Okay. Another thing is avoid crushing your belly if it gets itching. Rather, take any natural oil and massage your belly. No, I've said this several times in this video that try as much as possible to avoid scratching your belly if it gets itchy. I know at times, you might just forget, put your hand on your tummy and you start scratching it, but please try as much as possible to avoid it. Now, the last one is stay consistent, okay? Do not get tired. Do not get fed up. I understand that pregnancy can be very exhausting. Pregnancy can be very tired, okay? So that's why it is advisable you take lots of water because water can help you also stay energized. Take lots of water, stay hydrated, be consistent in taking care of your body, stay positive, be happy. Okay, make sure you try as much as possible, be happy. Take your prenatal vitamins, do your exercise, and eat good food, take a lot of fruits, so surround yourself with positive people. So that is it for this video. If you've watched to this extent and you did not subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? Please do wait to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.